In this video, I will show you how to make spiral text in Canva. So first of all, go over here on the left side and click on elements. Now here type on the search bar spiral. Select the spiral. Adjust its sizing according to your choice. Now click on this element and go on transparency and make it 20. Again go on the left side and click on text. From here click on add a text box and write your desired text. Now click on the text, click on effects right over here and click on curve. Select curve according to your choice. Make the text onto the spiral. Duplicate this text. Also click on effects and make this text onto the spiral. So that's how you can make a spiral text in Canva. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.